Anti-aging smoothies for glowing skin. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrients into one delicious drink. They're quick, easy, and perfect for a busy lifestyle. When it comes to anti-aging, certain ingredients can work wonders for your skin, helping to reduce wrinkles, boost hydration, and enhance your natural glow. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of anti-aging smoothies. Let's face it, we all want that radiant, youthful glow, and who knew the answer could be blended up in a fun and refreshing drink? Throughout this video, we'll explore 5 amazing smoothie recipes packed with powerful ingredients that can help improve your skin health and keep that inner glow radiating. Everything you eat and drink contributes to the way you look. And the best part is that achieving a youthful glow through your diet has never been easier or more delicious. Start by nourishing your body with anti-aging superstars like berries, cucumbers, watermelon, and tomatoes. You'll quickly look and feel healthier, happier, and more vibrant from the inside out. We're always told to drink more water. But do you really know why? Our body's cells, organs, and tissues need to be hydrated to function properly. Water plays numerous crucial roles. It regulates temperature, removes waste, lubricates joints, and transports nutrients. The balance between electrolytes and water also determines how well other organ systems function. So, water isn't just important for hydration. Dehydration, which can be caused by something as simple as a hard, sweaty workout, can lead to a range of issues, including dizziness, fainting, fever, heart palpitations, decreased urination, increased heart rate, low blood pressure, and a swollen tongue. If you experience any of these signs, cool off however you can and gradually increase your water intake. Another unfortunate consequence of inadequate water intake is dry, wrinkled skin. As we age, our body's tissues cannot retain water as well as they did when we were younger, making it harder for our skin to repair itself. But by drinking at least 8 12-ounce glasses of water daily, you can hydrate your body and reduce the appearance of dry, wrinkled skin. If you find it hard to remember to drink water throughout the day, try keeping a reusable water bottle on hand. Opt for glass or stainless steel to avoid the harmful chemicals in plastic bottles. You can also add a few slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber to give your water a healthy kick. There are even flavor-infusing water bottles that allow you to add fruit and other ingredients for a fun twist on hydration. Pro tip: set a reminder on your phone or computer to drink up. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, that amazing protein that keeps our skin firm, smooth, and youthful. But don't despair. We can support our body's natural collagen production with the right ingredients. These 2 incredible smoothies aren't just tasty, they're loaded with beauty vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. These powerhouse ingredients help fight the signs of aging and keep your skin looking plump, radiant, and youthful. The importance of collagen. Did you know that after the age of 25, we lose 1 to 2% of our collagen every year? That means fine lines and wrinkles can start creeping in before we even realize it. Luckily, incorporating collagen-boosting foods into your diet can be a game changer. These smoothies are packed with the good stuff: the vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients your body needs to naturally support collagen production and keep your skin looking youthful for longer. But the benefits don't stop there. These delicious beauty boosters also support your overall wellness, immunity, and energy levels, so you'll be feeling fantastic from the inside out. We've developed a special smoothie recipe bursting with beauty-boosting ingredients. It's designed to naturally support collagen production, protect your skin from aging, and leave you with a radiant glow. Remember, glowing skin starts from within. These smoothies are not just tasty, they're packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that can nourish your skin and combat the signs of aging. So, grab your blender, some fresh ingredients, and get ready to unlock the fountain of youth in smoothie form. Before going deep into this video, check the links in the description. These products can help you wake up refreshed and radiant. Don't miss out. Just a quick note before we jump into the recipes. It's important to choose high-quality, fresh ingredients for maximum benefit. Also, feel free to adjust the recipes to your taste preferences. You can substitute some fruits or add a dash of honey for extra sweetness. Let's get blending. Smoothie number 1, Berrylicious Beauty Boost. Alright, our first smoothie is a Berrylicious Beauty Boost. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that damage skin cells and contribute to wrinkles. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, half banana, peeled and frozen, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, ½ cup unsweetened almond milk, ¼ cup chopped spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Berries, packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps with collagen production for firmer skin. Banana, rich in potassium and vitamin A, which helps hydrate and improve skin elasticity. Greek yogurt, contains probiotics that promote gut health, linked to healthier skin. Spinach, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, essential for maintaining skin structure and reducing inflammation. Chia seeds, excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, promoting skin hydration and reducing wrinkles. Instructions: throw all the ingredients into your blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Enjoy this vibrant pink smoothie that's not only delicious but also great for your skin. Smoothie number 2, Tropical Glow Up. Next up, we have a Tropical Glow Up smoothie. This sunshine in a cup is packed with vitamin C and healthy fats, perfect for promoting skin health. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mango chunks, ½ cup pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen, ½ avocado, peeled and pitted, 1 cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon lime juice, handful of fresh mint leaves. Mango and pineapple, high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against sun damage and promotes collagen production. Avocado, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which helps retain moisture in the skin and reduce wrinkles. Coconut water, provides natural electrolytes and hydration, essential for plump and healthy skin. Lime juice, adds a refreshing twist and contains vitamin C for an extra antioxidant boost. Mint leaves, offer a cooling effect and antioxidants for overall skin health. Instructions: blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth, tropical treat. The creamy avocado and coconut water will leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. So good and so good for you. Smoothie number 3, Green Goddess Glow. Let's not forget our green friends. This Green Goddess Glow smoothie is packed with leafy greens and healthy fats for a powerful anti-inflammatory punch. Ingredients: 1 cup baby spinach, ½ cucumber, peeled and chopped, 1 cup green grapes, frozen or fresh, ½ kiwi, peeled, 1 tablespoon flaxseed meal, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Spinach and cucumber, rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin K and magnesium, promoting skin cell regeneration and reducing inflammation. Grapes, contain antioxidants that protect against sun damage and improve skin elasticity. Kiwi, a powerhouse of vitamin C, essential for collagen production and reducing wrinkles. Flaxseed meal, packed with omega-3 fatty acids for reducing inflammation and promoting skin hydration. Instructions: blend all the ingredients until smooth. This vibrant green smoothie might look intense, but the taste is surprisingly delightful. Smoothie number 4, Creamy Cacao Collagen Booster. If you're looking for an extra collagen boost, this Creamy Cacao Collagen Booster smoothie is for you. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to our skin, and this smoothie packs a punch with its key ingredients. Ingredients: 1 scoop collagen powder, unflavored or vanilla, ½ cup frozen banana, peeled, 1 cup frozen cauliflower florets, pre-steamed or roasted, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon almond butter, ¼ tablespoon ground cinnamon. Collagen powder, provides a direct boost of collagen to support skin structure and reduce wrinkles. Frozen banana, adds creaminess and potassium, which helps hydrate the skin. Frozen cauliflower, surprisingly delicious and rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting overall skin health. Raw cacao powder, contains antioxidants and healthy fats that can improve blood flow and nourish the skin. Almond butter, rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, promoting skin hydration and reducing inflammation. Cinnamon, adds a warm flavor and has anti-inflammatory properties that benefit the skin. Instructions: blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. The chocolatey flavor combined with the collagen boost makes this a delicious and functional treat. Smoothie number 5, Brightening Citrus Splash. For a final refreshing option, we have the Brightening Citrus Splash Smoothie. This vitamin C powerhouse is perfect for promoting a healthy skin tone and reducing hyperpigmentation. Ingredients: 1 grapefruit, peeled and segmented, 1 orange, peeled and segmented, ½ cup frozen pineapple chunks, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, ½ cup green tea, brewed and chilled, 1 tablespoon honey optional. Grapefruit and orange, loaded with vitamin C, which brightens skin tone and reduces hyperpigmentation. Pineapple, contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and improve skin texture. Greek yogurt, provides probiotics for gut health, linked to overall skin health and a radiant complexion. Green tea, rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect the skin from sun damage. Honey, optional, adds a touch of sweetness and has antibacterial properties that can benefit some skin types. Instructions: blend all the ingredients until smooth. This citrusy smoothie is a perfect way to start your day and give your skin a healthy dose of vitamin C. There you have it. These top 5 anti-aging smoothies are not only delicious, but also packed with powerful ingredients to nourish your skin and promote a healthy glow from within. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate these smoothies into your diet a few times a week alongside a balanced diet and proper skincare routine for optimal results. Remember, glowing skin starts from within, and these smoothies are a great way to nourish your body with the right nutrients. And don't forget, for more tips and product recommendations, check out the description below. For more healthy recipe ideas and tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or your favorite anti-aging smoothie recipe, leave a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going and empower each other to embrace healthy habits for glowing skin. In our next video, we'll uncover 7 powerful drinks that strengthen your nerves and help with prevention. From calming herbal teas to nutrient-packed smoothies, these drinks are game changers for your well-being. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Discover 7 powerful drinks for stronger nerves and prevention.